Hey folks, welcome back to the Vegas Down channel. We're here at the Pat Tillman Bridge over Colorado River here at Hoover Dam. We're gonna go ahead and show you the walk up to the bridge. We have some historical information here. Have to go through a security checkpoint to make sure you have no guns or weapons on you when you come out here. So we just went through that. It looks like this is ADA compliant. They have a ramp, so handicapped folks can get up here. Mike O'Callahan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. Bridging greatness, it says there. Well, no, there are stairs. Okay. My bad. Walk up the bridge here. You can see the transmission lines there for the power, the hydroelectric power that is generated. I am going to go up the ramp. Work smart, not hard. I think that's how we're gonna approach this. With 115 degrees outside, with the wind blowing there. Cell phone tower up there in the distance. They do have restrooms here that you can make use of. And you have all these tour buses that come out here. You can see the parking lot there now. When we say it's the journey here on the Vegas Down channel, we mean it's the journey. Phone is really hot to the touch here. See what looks like a dirt trail or dirt road out there. Harvey gets way up the mountain. Cables and arch span the gap. Again, the bridge was constructed here. Finished in 2010. Michael Callahan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. Right here. Along with this seal here. And they have a tribute to Pat Tillman here. Along next to the life and legacy of Michael Callahan. Enter at your own risk, no exit at any point. Rules for bridge remark. And this is Interstate 11 right here on our right. We just drove over this bridge a few videos ago. And the winds are actually stronger up here than I thought they would be. This becomes a big breezeway. And there is the Hoover Dam down there. We'll get up a little closer. The south side here. Someone's having fun with their horn. Hey.